We will discuss about the defluoridation techniques. Definition of defluoridation: the method of removal of excess quantity of fluoride from potable water. The chemical present in drinking water, such as arsenic, fluoride, these chemicals cannot be removed by the simple method such as the boiling ultraviolet methods. These methods require special treatment known as the defluoridation techniques. As per the WHO guidelines, fluoride concentration present in drinking water must be below 1 mg per liter. If concentration is more than 1 mg per liter, it will affect effect on the dental or effect on the teeth. In India, some states are highly affected, which having the concentration of fluoride from 50% to 100%, such as Gujarat, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh. These districts are highly affected. Methods of defluoridation: bone charcoal, Nalgonda techniques, activated carbon, contact precipitation technique, activated alumina, soil clays and minerals, and lime soda process. Other than this method, some other techniques which are used to minimize the fluoride: adsorption techniques, ion exchange techniques, precipitation techniques, and reverse osmosis process. Defluoridation methods and the required material. To carry out the defluoridation method, some materials are required for different methods, such as the adsorption techniques. In adsorption, it requires the activated carbon, wood, coal, null shell, rice husk, sawdust, cotton waste, like this. Ion exchange also required some chemicals due to which fluoridation process can be carried out. Precipitation: in precipitation, alum slurry is required to remove the fluoride. Bone charcoal: the process of defluoridation by charcoal is the ion exchange and adsorption between the fluoride in the solutions. Is if this method is effective because these contain the major component carbonate having percentage 6 to 10%, calcium phosphate 57 to 80%, activated carbon 7 to 10%. Basic disadvantage of this method: the bone charcoal having the effect on bacteria. This technique is sensitive. Use of bone charcoal may invite a cultural and religious objections. The second main method which are used on a large scale is the Nalgonda techniques. National Environmental Engineering Research Institute, Nagpur, developed these techniques to remove the fluorides. This process comprises addition in sequencing of sodium aluminate, lime, bleaching powder to remove the fluorides. So basically this method is rapid mixing, which are having the addition of salts, lime, alumina, bleaching powder by rapid mixing, flocculations followed by the sedimentation, filtration and disinfections. So some are the chemicals which are used in this method: aluminum salts, which are responsible for removal of fluoride from water; lime, so this is forming the descent floc for rapid settling; bleaching powder, which is used for the disinfection process. So mechanism of this method: rapid mixings, which provide through mixing of chemicals; flocculation, gentle agitations, combination of polyhydroxy aluminum complex with fluoride and polymeric aluminum hydroxides are formed. This method is also used to remove the turbidity, color, odor, bacteria. So techniques consist of domestic, fill and draw for a small community, fill and draw for a rural water supply systems. So this is a basic diagram used for the Nalgonda techniques: flash mixing, flocculation, sedimentation, filtration, then elevated reservoir and clean water. So this is another method, that is a diagram of Nalgonda techniques. So in case of raw water, lime and aluminum are mixed rapidly within 1 minute, and flocculation is carried out around 9 minutes. Then bleaching powder is used in a sedimentation time, where the sedimentation process is carried out. Supernatant liquid are removed by the filtrations. Then it is pumped